So I have uploaded one of my videos and added in the title, description, and chosen a thumbnail as well. So another thing that you want to do is choose a playlist for the video to be a part of. So to do that, you can click on the select button right here, and right now you can see that no playlists are available. So if you have previously created playlists, then you can go around and choose it, and if you haven't, you can click on create playlist right here. Once you do that, you can go around and then add in a playlist according to how you want. So I'm just going to go around and say example playlist right here, just like this. And then you can choose the visibility for that particular playlist. I'm going to choose public because this is for the audiences itself. So you can name the playlist whatever you want. And in one playlist, you can add in as many videos as you want which are related, so that if your audiences want to, let's say for example, find out similar videos on your channel, they can actually go to a particular playlist. So I'm just going to go around and click on create right here, just like this. And what happens is that the playlist is created, as you can see right here. So I accidentally created two playlists, but that doesn't matter. We can delete it later right here. So we can choose the playlist where we want to go around and add this particular video to, press done, and that is it. That is how you can go around and choose a playlist for your videos, just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.